Hello, welcome back to the radial balance level 1 part 2. So here you are going to wonder what is actually the use of the dots. There are some multiple dots here and they have the equal measurement or the equal distance. So actually this dot help us to make a pattern with measured method. I mean, look at here, when you have dots, you can make a pattern or line easily and perfectly equal. And from that, we can to make a custom pattern like this, or even like this, and many things else. Yeah. So that's why the dots is very useful when you are going to create radial balance. So that's why let's get started to experience it. So here we have the center dot or the 0 dot, and then the 3 centimeter dot. The distance from 0 to here is 3 centimeters, and this one is 8 centimeters dots. The distance from the 0 to here is 8 centimeters, and they both and so on, they have the same distance. So let's get started in creating the pattern. Alright, first thing first, make sure that your paper is landscape rotation, yeah, or square, not diagonal like this but like this. Alright, and then look at here, the diagonal line, yeah, the diagonal line, or in bahasa miring, and then we have vertical and horizontal line. So we are going to start with the vertical line first. Don't forget to prepare your pencil, eraser, and ruler. These are the very basic tools that we need to use when we create radial balance. So first thing first, I'm going to make a straight line here. If you already have this line, then you don't have to repeat the same step like me. You can just wait until I'm done with the line. Alright, so once you're done, we will go with the vertical. Look at this dot and this dot here, from this dot to this dot. As you can see that here, and then we are going to repeat the same, and there you go. So once you're done, we are going to repeat the same at the lower. Okay, now we can see the arrowhead, two of them. Yeah, it's almost like a kite for here and here. And the concept or the principle of radial balance is vertical, horizontal, they need to have the same pattern. So we will rotate the paper like this, so it becomes the vertical line now. So we are going to create the same arrowhead, and then the lower part as well. Once you're done, you will get a star. Now, since this is a radial balance, this is not radial yet. It is only vertical and horizontal. If you want to include radial, so the diagonal line, we will have another pattern. Okay, so if we turn our paper into diamond shape like this, then we will able to see that this is the vertical line and this is the horizontal line now. And then remember this dot and this dot and this dot. Yeah, we are going to create the dot line, but not from here, but start from here. So it will become like this, the line. And then the other part as well, not from here to here, okay, but just here to this part. Why not here? This dot is only help us once again to create a tidy pattern. So like that, and just stop. Alright, And then the other part as well. Here I make the paper into square to make it easy. Remember this dot, once it's matched, then make a line. This one as well to here, and then make a line. And then this dot to this dot. And make sure that you use soft sketch first. Yeah, don't use too strong. We only use the strong pressure when we are in the finishing step. Alright, and then once you are done with this pattern, then give a shadow over here. Just like line like this, or you can use dual technique, for example like this. Why do we do this? Just to make, actually it is used to make a pattern emphasize. Yeah, so once you're done, you can tidy up the overlap line that already go out from the boundary or the outline. And then this one as well, every right of it. And continue until all of them done. Okay, right. So after you're done with all of those, now this is the result of the radial balance pattern. So are we done yet in here? No, we need to make another pattern. Yeah, remember that the dots is very helpful, so we have the remaining dots right here, so we can connect it with a ruler. Okay, so it's almost finished. However, we need to make like a wall over here, because look at this reference. There is a wall, a thick wall over here. So we are going to add another dot right here. It's the very last step. 1 centimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter. And then over here you also add another 1 centimeter and continue until all lines. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and then in here 1 centimeter as well. Okay, so once you're done with the 1 centimeters, and then you can connect another lines over here, another dots to create another lines. And there we go, we just created a wall. See, the dots are very helpful for us to create pattern. Then over here. Alright, so in this step we are done. And this is a special. For example, if you want to modify this pattern, for example, if you create a circle right here, another lines, for example here, like this. Look, every dot that produced because of the pattern it is very helpful. And then you can add some circle over here, it's up to you. Yeah, make sure that you make a tidy circle. In here I'm just making like a random circle, and then you can erase the inside, so it will produce like a good circle over here. Okay, so just like that. Thanks for watching and good luck for your work, and God bless you.